Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Mr.BuyTheDip back here with another video. I want to talk to you guys about AMD, straight, simple, and forward. Okay, this stock is one of the best stocks you could own for the future. Okay, the semiconductor sector is a very volatile sector. You know, when you go to AI and you looking at technology stocks, AMD is going to cross your mind instantly. NVIDIA is going to cross your mind instantly. 132 is what this was pushed at. Okay, up almost 5% again today at some point. And when I look at the drop off, I'm strategically trying to think, well, what are people doing when this stock is going up to 132? Right? We go back down here and we test resistance. What are a lot of people doing? Okay, you have to realize people who got into the stock around 87, 94, 97, 96, and they put 50, 40, 30, $20,000 down. Imagine how much money they were making at this level today when we hit 32. So there was a lot of profit taken, which is fine. My only concern was breaking this level of 127. Okay, and we did not break that level. So that's a good sign. Next week, I hope we create a new level and we end off the week with 132 being our support. All right. Let me know if that makes sense down in the comments below. Because what I'm trying to say is, if this stock goes up, creates a new level, goes up, creates a new level, we are going to be extremely bullish with AMD, and we're going to take the stock to 140 for sure. All right. Let me know if that makes sense. I basically want a new level to be formed. What happens when the stock goes up? Higher high, higher low. Okay. So to my people who understand looking at charts on TradingView and all that type of stuff, higher high, higher low, y'all know what I'm talking about, right? That's an uptrend. Now, if you're a beginner, if you're new to my channel, if you're new to this video, here's what I mean, okay? A stock hit let's say a monthly high of 130. If the stock would have fell and break through 126, which it did, but it bounced right back off of 125. It maintained that level, okay? That is key, because if we would have break that level here, we would have went back down to 121, 119, and after that, guess where we would have been? We would have been back to this zone. Okay, 116, 115, 117, and the stock has been here for months. We don't care about this zone. We care about this push-off. So if you look at June 10, okay, this push-off right here at June 6, 4 p.m., okay, look at June 9th. That push-off where we go to 119 and then we go to another high of 124, that is the push-off we care about. So what I mean by making a new level is I'm saying we should maintain that gap up. You see, this stock has a huge gap up from, look, I want you guys to look at June 13th, 4 p.m., 116. Okay, look at that level all the way up to 126, and then from there we get another push up to 132 today. So if we can maintain this, consolidate for a few days, and then get another push up to 135, that is golden. That's exactly what I need. Okay, AI and data center growth is very, very important for the next few years. You can make a lot of money. I still can think NVIDIA can go up another 60-65%. Here's the thing: the AMD's new chips are cheap. Okay, they're a cheap alternative for NVIDIA's chip. Okay, so that is a very good substitute. I'm not saying they're going to replace NVIDIA, but what if a company wants to hold back on their expenses? What are they going to do? NVIDIA is asking for $200 more, but really they're asking for what, $2 million, $1 million more, right? Let's be honest. Okay, if they're asking for that much more, AMD is going to give you something for cheaper. Just look at it as in you owning a business. What is AMD? It's a third-party company that's issuing chips to Microsoft, or is issuing chips to a different company. All right. So huge demand from Microsoft, Meta, and other cloud giants for diversified GPU suppliers. Okay, and if AMD captures 20 to 30% of the AI GPU market, revenue and EPS could surge. Think about their EPS. EPS means earning per share. And that is a huge indicator when we talk about looking at if a stock is profitable or not. AMD recently beat that EPS on earnings So when they beat that on earnings, that means their business is doing good. They're making profit. Their sales are happening. They're making the money. So if they get the AI GPU market to go up as well, okay, we are golden. We're going to see another 20-30% up in the stock. All right. So keep that in mind. 125 to 130 is a strong level. We cannot afford to break down 122, 120, 119. We just can't do it. And even if that happens, I'm going to buy. I'm going to look at the buy button and press it as much as I can and try to average down and just wait for the next ride up. Okay. And then the Microsoft partnership is also another reason why I'm so confident on this stock. The Microsoft partnership does mean a lot. Okay, so they have partnered up with AMD for the next generation of Xbox, and that's going to be huge. All right, so that's going to drive a lot of investors. Man, it's been probably already been settled in yet, because I want you guys to look. Yesterday market was closed because of Juneteenth, so look how we started the day off today. All right, 9:30, 129. I want you to look at 9:45, 132, 129 to 132 is that's a huge move. That's a quick move up, right? These type of moves are key to look at. This move is a preview of what AMD can do. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. All right, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Mr.BuyTheDip is out. If you have any other comments, questions, concerns, please let me know in the comments down below. AMD's going to 140.